But we got my boy.
Hemi
boy 392, man. We finna go up to the wrap shop, see what Zay got going on. He said he got some projects. We gonna see, man. He got to touch the car up a little bit too. What was I finna say? I don't know what I was finna say, but yeah, I had to go. I literally had to switch location, and that's why I switched my mind. Cause the one that I went to at first, the car wash did not work, so I went here, which is right down the street, so it really didn't matter. Y'all see it though. Y'all seen it yesterday. Well, today's video, which is yesterday's video, because it's gonna be a Friday video, so y'all see it though. We got the 392s back to back. Let's swerve. Look, hey, look, it took me 15 minutes to wash this car. I don't even care because tomorrow I'm just gonna get it washed all over again. So like I literally just hurried up and like wiped it down, literally. But she looking wet in the camera though, and she looking wet in person. I ain't gonna even lie. Y'all see it. But yeah, we finna swerve off. Up in the windows, yeah, we finna swerve off. We'll see y'all at the wrap shop. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. We'll see y'all in a bit. Let's go. We finally at the wrap shop. Y'all see him? You can turn the camera on now. My boy, hold the camera. Hemi boy, I'm gonna say Hemi life. Hemi boy _ 392. Make sure y'all go subscribe to this channel. Get him on the road to 500. 500. Yeah, we say 500. 500 stuff. But he in there mixing up some stuff, messing up some cars. But I've been meaning to do this a while ago. Unboxing of. I ain't trying to mess it up. My Wicker bill. Might get the address in there. Don't leak that. Alright, just in case. Alright, yeah, that's good. One more. Alright, we got it. Alright. This, no, I'm gonna explain to y'all afterwards. Oh dang it, I might need a knife. Most definitely will. Nah. There go the man himself in the back. He not doing nothing. Look, he don't do work. He don't do work, y'all. They finna get on you in the comment section about what you got on again.
I don't give a fuck. Tell them pull up and come see you.
Oh yeah, it's an insider. So I did a video here one day. They talked about what he had on. They're like, why he dressed like that? Oh yeah. He's like, I'm rapping cars. That was funny. Oh. Everything is kind of easy though.
Kind of easy. Well, you been working at that for 10 minutes.
No, I mean, you know how some places they extra, like they overdo it. I can honestly put this on now.
Oh yeah, you already got the hole.
I ain't gonna change I was gonna change my weed, but okay. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes.
How did that?
Huh?
How does that?
But what happened? That was a while ago. Remember we talked about that? Remember Jason? That's
completely redid
that's
this
from the
though.
Wicker bill. That's from the Wicker bill hitting off bouncing off that when I had to put it on.
Man, I'm finna start building your ass. Cause I no, it's not. Because I redid this. Remember the whole time I had popped the whole thing? Did I even take this off?
So, this is what we got, a Z01 add-on. This thing is very flimsy.
Wait,
Like,
did he move the spoiler up or something? What's different about it?
and I need some double face right there.
Well, why you ain't go to the store and buy some double face? You telling me about some double face like I'm the one that did it.
You got, Jason said you had some. Why did I order some? You had some.
How you know I got double face?
Because Jason told me you had some.
I can't tell you shit about what's going on over here.
But
that's like you going to his man. They said you got some Kool-Aid over here.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna drink it, and I'm gonna drink it.
But you don't know he got Kool-Aid over there. I can't tell you what's in his refrigerator.
If you don't got Kool-Aid,
why am I even arguing with you? I'm wasting valuable work time.
Right,
tell him about your little wing. Your little wing.
Little wing. Swerving on you.
This heavy ass car ain't gonna fly nowhere with that little ass wing.
Alright, y'all. The Z01 add-on. Y'all see we got the, I believe these are the screws right here. I can't really see. I think they are. I can honestly, I'm gonna check the fitment actually to see if it lines up with the current, which I believe
Look like it do, bro.
it does. So that'll work out perfectly fine. I should put it on right here. I'm waiting on Rolling with Sean because Rolling with Sean put one on. So I'm gonna just wait on him to pull up.
Oh, he pulling up.
And have him lead me. I gotta get this wrap first. I don't know if he should wrap. No, I'm gonna ask him if I should wrap it. If he should wrap it first, and then I put it on, or put it on and then wrap it. I don't know, man. But what you think? Well, you like it?
Yeah, I like it. I was gonna get the same one. I just ain't pulled the trigger yet, bro. See, what is that?
The one I had before was just okay. The one I had on before was just it looked too high and it was too sporty. I'm gonna say that. This one, I feel like it's just gonna be like.
I think that one gonna be perfect.
This one gonna sit like. That's probably the highest.
I got a little wing from a little slow ass car. Ooh.
Interrupting my
They
video.
don't want to see that shit, man. Put a fucking supercharger.
You started
in here. They'll watch that. Put a supercharger.
I don't. Hey, you want to put a supercharger in it? Okay.
I got all the power I need right here.
That's so. I only X6. I was gonna say M6. Ain't no M6. If it was M6, I would respect it. He got a rich mama truck.
A rich mama
The
truck.
NBA mama truck. No, I'm just playing. That truck was good though. But yeah, man. Rolling with Sean should be pulling up any second. So we'll record us going over this because I'm pretty sure I will be able to put this on today if he say put it on before he wrap it. So we'll see. I'll take over the camera now. Walk in. Hope you don't got no copyright. He got copyright plan? Oh no, we good.
I'll sue the shit out of you.
How you gonna sue me? I'm gonna have to get out of here. Hopefully you don't pick up over it. Mr. You said let you turn it up. Alright. Tell me about something, let me turn it up. It flip better on the car than it do in the action. Is it different in the sunlight? Ah, check this out. Things are really like out here on rims. You know what I'm saying? Got that screen. I like this. Even though it's a Mustang, but you know what I'm saying? But you gotta crap that out. Slingshot. Oh, I ain't never seen an engine of a slingshot. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, they ain't playing. I see it. Oh, this man wrapped the van. Wrapped the bus. He wrapped the bus. Princess Rocker Spa bus. Let's go on the bus. Let's go to Rocker Spa. Yeah, he wrapped it. It might be an order wrap that he did. Yeah, he might be coming, or he might have just did. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him. I want to drive a bus.
Did he wrap this too?
Yep, he wrapped that one a while ago. That's his guy shop right there.
Oh yeah. What do you do?
He do like I think he do like kind of some of the audio stuff. He paint. I think I'm not sure though. But yeah, man, this memory stuff. I gotta get me a whole new memory card. Sir. Hey, my boy said anybody that's going to Gap Fest, he won't smoke with. Any scat, any SS.
Hey, remember your mom told that story about how you used to pee on yourself till 11?
I ain't peeing myself till 11. You nice try. Good try. He's just starting. I ain't gonna crop it out either, cause I ain't got a cap.
Say, no, you peed on yourself.
I peed on myself till 11. Yeah, okay. Stop playing with me. Stop
You
playing
was
with
in
me.
the drive o'clock at 1 o'clock. You was in the driveway at 1 o'clock at night when you first got your car, just crying and shit, just letting the tears run.
If I did.
I really did.
I didn't. I mean, I didn't. But if I did, I would admit to it. I mean, ooh.
Just tears.
I went from super slow to slow, man.
Where'd you go? You went from slow to slower.
Negative.
Hey,
Well, my convertible would have smoked this. Stop playing with me.
go get it. Line it up.
Hey, I smoked that one.
Ooh.
This one.
Ooh.
It ain't no different, but
Whoa.
it ain't got nothing in it though.
Whoa.
I'm a little lighter. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. That's rich boy. But we waiting on Rolling with Sean, man.
Then you come back through, cause I'll be done rapping my shit on Sunday, and it'll be at the performance shop by Monday. And I'll have it.
You're gonna be able to enjoy it.
You just wait.
But anyways, we waiting on Rolling to Sean. Rolling to Sean. I said Rolling to Sean. Rolling with Sean to pull up. Stay tuned, cause oh yeah, I had to ask you. Should I put the Wicker bill on then wrap it, or wrap the Wicker bill first then put it on?
Wrap it.
So wrap it. So obviously you gonna wrap it first before I put it on, cause that's how I was. My car club poop in park right now, man. Finna got the car. They cutting up already, so y'all finna get this little footage. Kind of like scrap notification bell saying almost a video. Let's get it.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. Y'all see it though, man. Hey, we got my boy AB in that thing. Make sure
What's going on, gang? What's going on? What's going on?
Bill, man. All that, man. Y'all know the good stuff, man. But we finna do. Gonna walk around.
It's real nice, man.
Appreciate it, bro. You wanna do walk around this way, or you wanna go this
It
way?
don't matter. You show
going
video.
We're going this way with it, baby. You think it's decent? Decent little turnout, huh? Decent little turnout, man. Is that Life of Vontae? Yes, it is. Be over there. We got all the heat right there. We got Kobe tribute. I did a video on that. Make sure y'all go check that out. Well, how many months ago you think that was?
Like 3.
Like 3? Yeah, about 3 months ago for that one. I ain't never seen this one. This one, right?
Word, what's good?
What's up, man? What's up?
Smooth sailing. Right with the blue boy. All right. Smooth, man. That lip on that rear end.
They just did that one. Make sure y'all go follow them on Instagram. Y'all see that, Bill.
Hey!
You'll be in trouble when you come out. I was giving people drinks.
This one slide it all the way around. Show them like the inside, show them like the hood. All the way around. Look at the interior. Then you got a star roof too. Stars on? Oh no, they on? Ain't on. Yes, sir. Daytona, stop playing. Big Daytona. Keep walking around, man. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. What's up? What's up? Keep going, man. Is the camera angle good? Is it blurry? Okay, we good. Alright, we good.
You're gonna put me on payroll for recording.
Yeah, I got you. I got you. Hey, don't worry about the payroll. Here we go. What's up, man?
I was just talking to Catfish there. I said, I don't know if he pulling up or not, but
Yeah, I just-
what's going on, man? Mook in the V, man. Y'all check the channel out, man. Y'all know what's up.
We had a K?
You said what?
We had a K right now, right?
Almost 900. Almost
you already
900. I'm
did the
close.
set.
I'm close.
Yeah,
We only
hey,
been rocking for 6
hey, go
months,
do that for
though.
my boy.
Hey, y'all
Mook in
know
the V.
what time it
Mook.
is, man. We out here working.
You gotta spell it out for him, bro.
Mook in the V, man. M-O-O-K. Hold on. I'm gonna make it easy for y'all.
Yeah. Give my boy 10,000.
I'ma make it easy for y'all.
We got rolling with Sean on 10,000. Y'all
Yes,
can
sir.
get my boy.
That's my boy, too.
10K.
He coming out today?
Huh?
Sean coming out?
Yeah, Sean on his way.
Oh, all right. Bet.
Yeah, let's get it. Yeah. All right, we finna keep going.
I'll see what time it is, man.
It's a lot of gang out here, man. I didn't see you. Hey, y'all see my boy BB, man. Y'all see, hey, get that green thing on the camera. Hey, y'all gotta show that. We ain't go that way yet. We go back there. We'll come back. Y'all see the pressure, man. Is that what up? Oh no. We be back. We going this way. Man, I gotta get a lot. Y'all see. Alright. Hold on, cut. I'll be right back. Gonna take a picture. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And I'll see y'all in a second.
minutes already.
You got 30 minutes?
I'm recording.
It's going. Oh, okay. Oh, you got 50? Okay. Alright.
I'm your cameraman.
You want me to stop it? You want me to stop it? It's on Snap. It's on Snap. So when you click it, it's gonna say save.
Okay.
I'll show. I'll show.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
And then you will click this one.
I'll be watching you a lot of shit.
And then click the X. Wherever his X is, hit that. And then you can take another one. I had to show him how to do it.
I ain't got this application.
No, it's Snap. You ain't got Snap.
No, I ain't.
Oh my God.
I'm too old
Alright,
for
man.
Snap.
I can't do it.
Hey, you too old for Snap.
Snap.
Hey, much love to my boy though.
Yeah, man, my name Davion, you know what I'm saying? I'll be watching them, bro, man.
Look,
I love
appreciate it.
everything y'all do, man.
man.
For real. I'll be wanting to come out here.
man.
This is my
Appreciate
first
the
time
love.
seeing them, so, you know.
Appreciate the love, my boy.
Look,
Yeah, I'm
your
everywhere,
first
bro.
time?
I'm everywhere.
This is my first time, like, saying, you know, like, his charger in person, so.
Yeah, appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it.
But no, nice meeting y'all, though.
Appreciate it.
Nice meeting you too.
bro. Y'all see my boy AB in that thing, man. Make sure y'all go check out.
Got the 4G.
Not last video. I don't know.
It was.
I don't know, man. It was last video.
He was just talking
Man, I got
about
so many
that.
videos. I don't even be knowing.
Look, he just said something about it.
Man. Did we go to? No, we gotta finish going this way.
We ain't finished this side first.
You see that stranger? Hey, you see that stranger over there?
He a stranger.
Hey, you see that stranger over there?
Come out like
You see that stranger over there? Look at him. Look at him.
We finally decided to come out.
Yeah. What's up, bro?
Fuck with him all the time. Like, he be bullshitting, so I gotta stay on his ass.
You capping, man.
These young boys,
Hey,
man, they be
hey,
bullshitting.
we gotta see a Hey, we need a race. We need a race. Hellcat Charger versus Hellcat Challenger, man.
Oh, y'all told him that.
Yeah, we said we was gonna do something like that, yeah.
No, we gotta wait till CJ come back.
Wait till St. Louis.
We gotta wait till CJ come back.
So we come back.
We gotta, hey.
Okay,
Everybody supposed to be racing this.
Yeah, everybody racing. When he come back, we
You
on
got,
it, man.
oh, you got your name on the line, bro. You remember?
I'm going to Mexico though. I ain't going on the track. I already said that.
So
I'm not-
the Swervo, the other Swervo,
I'm not going on the track no more. He going, but I'm not going on the track. I'm not finna risk it.
I thought that was gonna
We
be
go
a
to
race.
Mexico. It's gonna be in St. Louis.
Okay.
But we gonna do it on the track. I mean, not on the track, or off the track.
Okay, cool, okay.
But we gonna make sure we good, man. Stay tuned, yeah. Where we at with it? Where we at with it?
This son.
Which way was we at? We was that way or that way?
It don't
Let's
matter.
try. Let's go that way. Let's go that way, man. Let's go that way. See, you gotta get all the cars.
I like this one, yeah, I like this one.
Listen here, sir.
Big red, yeah. Y'all see my boy D-Lo right there, man?
What up?
If you don't go with that drive, what's up? You better shout it out.
What's up?
Oh, all right.
Shout it out. My bad. Damn, I'm finna stutter. My
You
bad.
can't do that.
Hold on. Don't edit that out. But what's up? It's your boy D Welch, man. Check out my channel, D Welch, DWLCH.
We gotta get my boy to. We gotta get my boy to the K2, man.
Man, 1K,
Hey,
1K.
hey, work, man. We finna work, man.
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm gonna get my camera on right now.
You playing.
Nah,
You
see
should
it.
got it out.
You gotta get everything on the hardest. Win the caps. Roll the caps. Roll the caps. Oh! Hey! Where the roll caps at?
Tell him to mind his business.
Hey, I can't talk to you. I can't talk to you. Hey, I can't talk to you.
I'm on it. That's all I can say.
I can't talk to you.
You just don't know.
I gotta order mine too.
Texas, motherfucker.
I was supposed to been order mine. I'm playing.
You got the smoke?
No, I gotta get it.
Got it?
It's hot.
Huh? You said it's hot.
Yeah.
Something about it's hot. Big F's.
Swervo 2 times.
Big
Swervo
F's.
2 times. My boy.
What's up,
You know
bro?
me, bro?
Yeah.
It's Dolphin and he's gonna stay there.
Yes, sir.
Hey,
I
we
know,
gotta
bro.
stick together.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Gang, gang.
See,
What's
see?
up?
It's yours? Yes, sir. It's nice, bro.
Let's see what we got going on over. Yeah, we gotta go this way now. Yeah, that's it.
They on 24s? Yeah. I see.
Oh, we did the wing too, y'all. Yeah, I like that. Then we got some. I don't know why they didn't park this way. You know what I'm saying? All them cars right there. All them cars right there to the park. That way. You know what I'm saying? You're not talking. All right.
I don't know if that you be wanting me to talk behind the camera.
You can talk. Hey.
Oh. I got talking
to the cars.
Gonna beat them
Are you
up.
getting me in the cars?
Yeah.
Okay.
Barely. If I get you in the cars, I'm gonna be back. Copyrights over there can go to cover.
Alright, bro, take my boy D-Work. He wrapped his own car, y'all, so man, make sure y'all go check out. I don't know if he uploaded a video of that, but make sure y'all go check out his YouTube as well. He just told y'all. That's what I came up here with, as well. Another one that's full. Then we gotta get the club, last but not least. That's the main thing that we gotta get. As y'all can see, who blue car is that?
This guy.
Who Tiffany blue car is that? That Tiffany blue car is like awesome. I love that car. Oh wait, I gotta call you. Oh, that's mine. Oh, okay.
No, you got
Got that. Excuse the copyrights when they a lot of shopping and schooling right here. But y'all see. Hey, hold on, wait. I need a name in the comment section. I know y'all did it before. I need more ideas. I've been meaning to look back at that video and see what I want to name it. I'm thinking something like Drip or something like that, but y'all see it, man. What you think that I should name my car? I ain't giving the name yet. What you think I should name? Man,
I'm thinking something different. Something creative, like, I don't know. What the fuck is the girl name starting with a DR?
Who?
A DR. The girl name starting with a DR.
Tatiana.
Yeah.
No, because real name is called Tatiana. I don't want to.
Okay, so
I don't want to vibe my bro Real, man. Shout out to my bro Real too. I don't know, man. We gonna get to it though. Let me know in the comment section. I did do it in the last video. Well, not the last video, in the previous videos. Y'all gave me ideas, but I need more ideas. I need some out the box, man. On the 40 with the yellow B on the side. Yellow hood scoop. Y'all see it right there. On 40. I'm really the only one on Coley's, so y'all gonna see that. Y'all see the stripes, the Ford, cool interior. Stop playing with it, man. Nitrous power, stop playing. Y'all see it. Nitrous power. Hey, don't wind up. Ain't no regular scat. Ain't no regular scat, man. Y'all see the Hellcat. 6, man. I see it. Big boys. Big boys. What's up, bro? How you feeling? See you, boy.
That's our two life.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that copyright, man. I want to drive one of these now. I need to drive a red eye now. I drove my boy Hellcat, my boy Life Avante Hellcat, but I need to drive the red eye now just to see if just to see the difference. They say it's different. Y'all see it? But yeah, y'all see that I'm the only one on Corley's. Everybody got Volanos and Ford Giotto and stuff like that. So facing me.
SRT light shot.
Is the camera facing me? Okay.
This way.
You gotta make sure it's facing me. Like,
You swear.
uh-oh. Let me open this. They didn't match the car. Shout out to my boy Hell Gotti. He showed me him already. Let's keep it up real quick. Oh, y'all see it, man. Oh, he actually got it right. Y'all know how most people put Swervo 2X. He put X2. He knew.
SRT light shot.
SRT light, man.
Man, tell them how you coming, man.
SRT life or no life. You ain't with it, get lost.
He said, if you ain't with it, get lost for sure, man. Baby. My bad, y'all. Y'all know the camera issue. Ran out of storage again. I should have got a memory card. Oh, man. Hey, this is like nasty. I like it. It's cool. Yes, sir.
And the camera look like.
The camera look like?
Yup.
That's gonna wrap up this video, man. Enjoy myself, have a good time, man. I know it's kind of long this time, but I had to do what I had to do, man. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell so y'all won't miss the video, and I'll see y'all in the next video.